Hey, I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Home Hero 20-piece kitchen knife set that I've been trying for some time, and I think it's a really good set. It could be like a starting set or actually more advanced set because it comes with 13 professional knife set as well as many other accessories like your scissors or the actual this acrylic stand. It's looks really nice, and the good thing is also it's gonna keep your all the set organized. So I'm actually going to show you all the knives, and I'm actually going to show you all the accessories as well. But this thing, again, it comes with so many knives that you can use on your daily basis or for more specific things. So let's start with the acrylic stand, which I think it's a really nice way of actually showcasing your knives if you want, like displaying them in your kitchen if you want, but also have them within easy reach. And then you have the peeler, which actually has many functions, not just a peeler, so you can actually peel your veggies or fruits in many other styles, and you can put it just right here in the holder. And the scissors that you can actually put in the holder as well. This is a cleaner for proper cleaning, because I wouldn't put these knives in your dishwasher just to keep them safe. I will just like use like hand washing, and then you can use this, which is really cool. And then you have a sharpener, which it's awesome just for keep them sharp on like in the like I would do it like once a month if you want. You don't have to, but doing it once a month keep them sharp with it like whenever you actually need them. And then you have a finger protection, like a finger protection, which I think it's really cool. Not all sets have this, so that's a really nice thing to have. So I just zoom in a little bit so you can actually take a closer look. So you have the Santoku knife right here, and then you have the chef knife, and then you're gonna have the bread and the carving knives. So that's the top of the line in the actual stand, acrylic stand. Then right in the middle you have the pizza and cheese knives, which are really cool to have, as well as steak and utility knives as well. And then you will find the 6 additional steak knives, which are separated. And this is a pretty cool thing to have when you're having guests and you're serving a steak, like a steak knife. I really like these knives. So let me actually show you super quick. That's it. No issues. You can see that this is a really nice set of knives for sure, as well as some veggies. Just like that, easy peasy. And I can quickly grab the Santoku knife and just like that, slice this meat, which I think it's great. I really like the Santoku knife. So yeah, bottom line, I think this is a really nice set. It could be an entry set or also like a more advanced set. It has 20 pieces with 13 different knives and accessories, with the sharpener, the peeler, the scissors, all the many knives that you can use. I think this is also can be a really nice gift idea as well. So I hope I helped you with this short review. I'm gonna give you my thumbs up. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.